The video today will go over running the IBIDie Year End utility. This utility need be run after the close of business, the last day of the year. The program will roll the weekly sales numbers and the monthly sales number to the prior year and free the current year cells for new data. Before running the year end each year, we strongly recommend that a system backup be performed immediately prior to running the year end. If you do not have access to your server, you need to arrange with the IBID technical team to perform this backup for you. If you do have access to your server, you simply enter the IBIDie updater under Tools, Backup Database. And the system will back up the entire database so that you have a copy of the database fresh in case the year-end procedure fails. Okay, it completed our backup, so we can be done with that. We enter by going into Utilities, Inventory Utilities, and the Yearly Update. Now, the year end must be, the monthly has to be run before the yearly should be run. So at the end of December, you want to run your monthly update and then run the yearly update. Obviously, all of the registers should be closed and Z'd. The important thing to remember is in the weekly sales buckets in the inventory system, these weeks, as you know, week 1 is current, week 2 is last week, week 3 is the week before, and these are the same for the previous weeks. At the beginning of the year, January 1 is week 1. A new week starts every Sunday. So if January 1st is on a Saturday, week 1 of the new year will be Saturday, just that Saturday, because on Sunday, it will be a new week, and whatever was sold on that Saturday will show as week 2. So that's a very short week. At the end of the year, since we only store 52 weeks in a year, the 52nd week can be almost up to 2 weeks in length, depending on which day January 1st falls. That's just to keep in mind so that that as you look at the weekly numbers, the first week and the last week of the year, they can fall out of the normal range because the days that are included in that week can vary depending on the day of the week January 1st falls. And we simply do the update. Once this update is finished, the system is ready to begin the new year. However, bear in mind that if you run this on December 31st, following the close of business, if you look at the various tables, they will seem askew because the headings and the labels of the tables have not changed because the year hasn't changed on the system clock. So don't be alarmed if it still looks like it's 2020 after you've run the year end in 2020. Once January 1st actually comes around, it'll fall into line. And that's all there is to the year end.